Hi, my name's Caitlin with Next Level SEO OKC. I spoke with Melinda today about sending you guys this quick video on some free tips and tricks on how to get some good clients in and a more influx of clients for your business. So I'll kind of take you through three things today. We're going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. And I'll also show you a couple tools that I use that you guys can get for yourself and just kind of take this and run with it and get some more clients. So the first thing, like I said, is content. So when I'm talking about content, it's just this first section right here on your homepage. So anything that is written out like this about your business, your specialties, different services you offer, things like that. So Google will rank you organically and rank you with your GMB. And we'll kind of go through that here in a second. But organically, Google likes to see 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage alone. And all your other pages are anywhere from 500 to 750 words. So your front page has 172 words, which is extremely low for the homepage. But there's a lot of different ways to get some more content on there. So that's the first tip. And as far as what is on your excuse me, your pictures, you want your pictures to be named something that has to do with your business. So whether that's Southeastern dental specialists, you want the picture to be named that, and your guys is named something that has a keyword on it. I checked for you. And so as long as it has something excuse me, that's a keyword, you will be able to rank with Google. So Google can't see pictures. It's just a system that just kind of analyzes everything and will kind of feed through your page. And if you have something that says picture 1, 2, 3, it doesn't tell them that you're a specialist or that you're, ranked high in this field. So you really want to name it something, and you guys do have that. And then the second thing we're going to go over is we're going to go into this program. So it's called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. And like I said, you guys can get this for yourself. First thing we're going to look at right here is this DR. That means your domain rating. You want this number as high as you can get it. 1.44 is significantly low, but there's a few things we can do to get that score up. Right here, one of the main big things that we would do is get you some backlinks. You guys can do this for yourself too. So backlinks are just the link on somebody else's website, which is right here, referring domains. So a link that says, the best dental specialist in Southeastern Massachusetts. It would have your website domain linking back to you. And so that would be on someone else's website. You want as many of these as you can get, and you want quality backlinks. You don't just want random ones. So that's what backlinks are. Next are these keywords. I'll kind of show you what keywords are. So on your competitor's page, we'll kind of go through this a little bit, and it'll show you a little bit better. So you have Dental Works Easton. That's something that 250 people search per month. Right here, KD is your keyword difficulty, which means the lower this number, the better, because it's easier to tap into. So a lot of people are searching, but not a whole lot of companies or businesses are using those keywords. So you'll be the first to pop up. And you guys are getting 0.03 people in on the 250 that are searching. So, not even one every 3 months is what that is. And you guys are position number 33 on Google. And so when you search Dental Works Easton, you guys are popping up as the 33rd company. And you want to be within, ideally, that first 5, but the first 10 is good because that means you're on the first page of Google. So that's kind of what I use this for. When you click organic keywords, it really helps us see exactly where you guys are on Google and what words you're using. That's extremely important. Okay, so here I'll show you guys' competitor, and what I found was interesting was your competitor, and I'll show you how I got to them. They don't have a whole lot of going on. So Dentist in Brockton, Massachusetts was one of the largest keywords. So that had 400 people searching a month, and the KD was only 4. So that's really one of the big ones that people are searching for. Right here is GMB. So GMB is Google Map or Google My Business. And so to get in Google My Business, you take your address, you register it with Google, and you get a postcard. When you get that postcard, you put it into your account and you're with Google. From there, you will get citations, which we'll talk about in a moment. You'll get reviews, and you really just want to get in this top 3 because I don't know about you guys, but if you had a little phone number button here, that's highly important. None of these companies do. So if you have a phone number, you just click, make an appointment. Now, organically, this is what has to do with backlinks and content is right here in this area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, they have, yep, right there, 10 different listings. The rest of these are just ads. So you have 10 different listings. You want to be on that first page. The very top person organically is how I found your guys' competition, and that's A1 Dental. So A1 Dental only has 560 words on their front page, and in all honesty, it's not a whole lot of good or credible content because most of their content comes from these featured articles, which is everything to do with Corona. And you want to have, you know, COVID-19 on your page just because it's such a big issue right now. But every single article they have right here is all about COVID-19, and you really don't, I mean, it's a lot. So they don't have a whole lot to beat as far as content on their front page. Now their pictures are named something to do with their business, so that's okay because you guys have that too. Now they're 1.1. They only have 12 backlinks, so 12 different links going to their page on 8 different websites. But they do have 137 keywords. So they have Brockton Dentist. So that has 450 people searching. 7 volume KD. It's a little higher, but that's okay. And then they are getting 150 people a month. 150 people that search for that call them. And that's tracked through this system. And they're in number 1 on Google. And if you really look at this, every single big keyword, they're number 1 or number 2. That's huge. But they're really not that hard to beat. If you really go and look at this next part, we'll go through together. This is the one I searched. They're the first one. Remember, we found them on Google first. Of course, they have their name here. And then they have Dentist, Brockton, MA. They're first on that. I mean, they're first on all of these. So that's really what we would go after, is all of these keywords on your content for your website. Next thing we'll go through is whitespark.ca. You'll go to the local citation finder. So here you guys are. Now citations, I'll kind of go through that. Citations are your NAP, name, address, and phone number. Pretty much an online phone or whitebook, an online page that will have all your guys' information. So right now you guys have 44 citations, which is significantly higher than their 11 citations. So what we do is we just go in and grab the ones that we don't have on our page from A1 Dental. And then each month you guys, or me, whichever you'd like, will go through there and add citations every single month. Your goal is to get anywhere from 350 to 500 citations for your business. Then you will pop up right at the top of that 3-page where the Google maps are. So that's kind of all the stuff. I know this is kind of a longer video, but I really wanted to dig in and show you guys what you could do to get your website up. If you guys have any questions or you want any more tips, I would love to answer those. And my number is 405-627-2693. Or you can email me at caitlin@nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.